buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling like
Alright,
float with the breeze, 'cause we're
so while I eat my breakfast, I'm gonna explain to you basically like what's going on today. So if you didn't know, I am a nanny in Hawaii this summer. Basically, I'm taking care of kids all the time. But today I have the day off, and I haven't gone to the beach by myself yet. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. So we're gonna go driving, and the car is low-key broken, so hopefully we don't die, right? I'm gonna pack some snacks, and then hopefully I won't have to spend money. I'm gonna just go to the beach and enjoy myself. All right, y'all, here we go. Really probably should not vlog and drive in this car and on this road, but just for a moment. This car sounds bad, I don't know if you can tell, but. Okay, so here I go, driving to the beach.
We're doing great.
Okay, this is temporary.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Captain Cook Road.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right onto Hawai'i Belt
Also,
Road.
I can't see out the, what's that noise? I can't see out the rear view mirror, but hopefully I don't have to. I don't really know what's happening in general.
Turn right onto Hawai'i Belt Road, South Kona Belt Road.
Okay, thanks.
high while we float with the breeze, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving.
It looks like I'm naked, but I made it to the beach. I've hardly made it down that hill. The car started like smoking again, so I've got help on the way for coming back up the hill, because that's where the real problem would be.
Now, love crimes never held me down. We've been through all these grapevines. How we gonna find out truth?
I am absolutely feeling awkward. I don't even really know what to say. I guess I could give like kind of a life update. I'm nannying 3 kids. It's a lot of work.
It's really like teaching me a lot, so
It's good. Okay, I'm gonna go tan some more.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we'll fill the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day.
All right, so I've been wandering around, and I found this area that looks kind of scary from this angle, but it actually looks like this. Anyway, just took a lot of self-timer pictures, you know, but been walking around, and it's wonderful.
I wish I had a snorkel.
If you ever take self-timer pictures, you know that about 90% of them turn out horrible, and you're sitting there thinking, why was I posing like that? Like, why would I think that would look good, you know?
'Cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day.
I just had quite the experience getting back home. So I texted that I didn't know if the Honda would be able to make it back up the hill. So I got picked up, and then I was gonna follow in a 4Runner, and she had to pull over about 5 minutes up the hill because it was overheating and then it wouldn't start. So the car might be done. I don't know, but I made it back. I'm safe, in case you were worried. And I was gonna go do some shopping. Oh shoot. I left my little bendy tripod in the car that's on the side of the road and maybe not coming back. So that's cool. Yay! Alright, so I'm all showered and now I kind of just don't really have anything to do. You know, it's fine.
Because Mercury's in retrograde, so...
Ain't no knowing when the sun go down and the seasons start to go